Are you sick of generating reports from your spreadsheet? Let me show you how to do it automatically using Zapier. To do this task, I want to create a Zap. In Zapier, a Zap is a simple way to connect different apps and make them work together automatically. With Zapier's no-code app builder, I can create my Zap from scratch, or with Zapier's new AI copilot, I can just describe what I want. I could say something like, every Monday at 9 a.m., pull all rows from my Google Sheets sales spreadsheets, summarize the data into a weekly report using ChatGPT, and email it to me via Gmail, and it'll build the workflow for me. My Zap will then be created. On the left-hand side, the copilot will tell me the steps that I need to take to complete my Zap. And if I need to tweak my prompt or troubleshoot anything, I can just type right into the copilot. It walks me through the process. To start, select your trigger. Our trigger is an event that starts any Zap. In this case, our trigger is Schedule by Zapier. Our schedule is already set weekly, so go into the Configure step and select the day of the week and time of day you'd like to get your summarized data, and then click Continue. From there, you can test the trigger, and we're ready to start setting up our action. An action is the task that happens automatically after our trigger is set off. To start, you'll need to log into your Google Sheets account. To do this, click on the Account tab. The first time we set up Google Sheets, we'll need to connect it with Zapier. If it's your first time logging in, a link will pop up for you to log into your account. And don't worry, Zapier will only perform the actions you tell it to in a given Zap. We'll then need to fill out our Action Apps data. Select the worksheet, spreadsheet, and columns you'd like to use for your Zap. With that, since we're wanting to pull all of our rows, we could select the maximum of 1,500 as our row count and then click Continue. Next, test the step. Testing our steps ensures that the data we entered is working. You're all set with the first step. Great. Click Continue, and we can start creating our next action. Your action event should already be chosen, so log into your OpenAI account. If it's your first time logging in, you'll need to create an API token key. You could do this by selecting New Secret Key on your API Dashboard tab and then giving it a name before copying and pasting it into the authorization screen. Click Continue, and then let's move on to the next step. We need to set up our ChatGPT prompt. Copilot will usually pre-configure this step for you, but if the data isn't there, you could just type something simple like, you're generating a weekly business report. Based on the spreadsheet data below, create a clear and professional summary. Include total revenue, total number of sales, the top performing product, and any noticeable trends. Then, underneath that, attach your spreadsheet data using the drop-down menu and click Continue. Once that's complete, I'll test the steps. Great, let's move on to our last step. We'll want to send our summarized data to ourselves via email. To do this, log into your Gmail account just like you did with your Sheets account, and then click Continue. From there, we can start to assign our Trigger Apps data into the Action Apps fields. Copilot will automatically fill out our configuration steps with our ChatGPT data. And if my data isn't there, I can ask the Copilot to fill it out for me. With that, I could select from the drop-down menu or add my own text to customize my Zap even further. Once that's complete, I'll test the step. Great! This is ready to turn on. So whether you're managing a sales pipeline, automating a marketing campaign, or building your own custom business app, Zapier makes it easy to build applications without coding. And if you like this workflow, click the link below and Copilot will build this app for you automatically. You can sign up and start for free.